boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar Creepy Nuts. That is the title of this group, or maybe one man. I'm not sure really. First time here on Going Guitar, Creepy Nuts, creepy name, I believe. And I'm using a creepy guitar, more like cool actually, from TYMA. Check this one out. I have a tutorial on it on Gordon Gear. Now let's go into this actual song. We have a song called Mirage, all right? And it's the theme song of Call of the Night. So we're gonna learn this cool song. It's a 4-chord song. We use capo on 4th. So yeah, you see the logic there. 4 chords, 4 capo. Yeah. Anyway, let's go into it. We're gonna start with E minor first. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C. That will be third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the B minor 7, which is a bar chord. So you play the index finger here on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, then you need to add on the 4th fret D string and 3rd fret B. And finally, we have the A minor 7. And that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Now let's focus on the melody and then look into the strumming. First melody, chord by chord, starting with E minor. You're gonna play. So what you need to hold here is 2nd fret D string. You're gonna play that note, then open G, open B, open G, and back to 2nd D. So you're gonna pyramid down and back up again. That is a pattern for all other chords as well. Next pattern will be based upon the C. What you're gonna add on here is just 1st fret B string. You keep that 2nd D there, then add on 1st B. You're gonna play this part. So that is to play 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open G, and back to 2nd D. Then we have the B minor 7 part. You're gonna play this part. So what I'm holding here is the 4th fret with my ring finger on the D string, then my index on the 2nd fret G, and my mid finger on the 3rd fret B. So we're gonna play 4th D, 2nd G, 3rd B, back to 2nd G, and back to 4th D. And then we have the final pattern for A minor 7. It goes like this. And that pattern is actually exactly the same as the C pattern. Okay, so you're gonna play 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open G, and 2nd D. So that is how it rolls here, the melody. Let's go for a round, and it goes like this. Alright, I played not 1 but 4 rounds because it's first and foremost addictive to play, and because I screwed up the first rounds. Okay, I know, but anyway, that is how you play the melody. Now let's go into the strumming here, and now we need to hold the full chords as they are. So we're gonna start with E minor, and it's a very simple strumming pattern. It sounds like this. So you have 1 down first and a pause, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. All right, you're gonna play one of these strumming rounds per chord, and it just rolls like that. E minor 1, C1, B minor 7 1, and A minor 7 1, like this. Again. Alright guys, so that's it. If you want to learn a creepy song, take this one, Mirage from Creepy Nuts, and just play it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.